Hi, this is Benjamin with Upper Dolphin Vinyl Products. So today we are in Northumberland at Mr. and Mrs. Vader's house, and we're going to be completely rebuilding all the decks and the front porch, including a new deck extending out from the front porch. So today I'm going to take you around the house here and show you a little bit the old decks, the rotten decks that are here, and we're going to show you guys what we look for when we consider reframing and rebuilding a deck for a customer. These old joists are 2x8 16-inch. Actually, they're 24-inch on center, and they're about 25 years old. And the old deck boards are the old 2x6 treated lumber. So for our new decking, which is going to be clubhouse vinyl decking, we're going to need 16-inch on center. So this is all going to come down, and we're going to completely start over and build this brand new for Mr. and Mrs. Vader's. We are also going to be putting some zip-up underdecking underneath the deck here. So you'll see that once this deck is completed. This is the back deck, and this is all going to be torn out as well and rebuilt using all 2x10 beams, 2x10 joists, and we're going to be using the clubhouse decking all the way around. And then we're going to be using the Outlook series aluminum railing in a matte black finish. So this is what we look for when we look to rebuild a deck. Is we look for rotten lumber. The most important thing we look for is to see if the joists were centered 16-inch on center, or if they're 24-inch on center, and whether it was 2x8 or 2x10 material. Typically we will leave the framing there if it's 2x10 16-inch on center, and if the material is, the lumber is in good shape. But this lumber is all rotted out, 24-inch on center, 2x8s, 4x4 posts. We're going to be putting in all 6x6 posts, double 2x10 beams. This is about a week since the deck got started, and now most of the new framing is all in place, all the decking's in place, and the guys are just starting to put on the railing. So this is a completely new addition to the front porch here. It's 16 by 38, and it ties right in with the front porch. And the stairway here is new, going up to the upper deck. So there's the rebuilt bottom portion of the deck, and the stairway goes right up to the new deck on top. So the back of the house, the deck goes all the way up to the other end of the house here. So it's basically a wraparound here on the back side and the lower end of the house. You guys can see the new framing here. So have the zip up under deck there, so they're going to have a dry deck down here in the bottom. We're going to wrap these 6x6 posts with aluminum post wraps, and we're going to have the Outlook railing running from post to post. We wrapped up this deck about 2 weeks ago. It's all done. This deck is multi-levels. There's the front porch, the front deck here. There's a top and a bottom deck at the end of the house, and then the top portion wraps around the back side of the house and comes the whole length of the house on the back side. So the decking that we used here is the clubhouse vinyl decking in a clay color. It's 100% vinyl, no wood, no composite. This deck stays nice and cool because it is vinyl and it is a light color. And then we have the black aluminum structural porch posts for the porch roof, and then we have the Outlook series railing by Keylink Fencing and Railing in the matte black color. The matte black color is a new color that was just introduced this year, and it is a really nice sharp matte black finish. Looks really good on this deck. We built this entire deck here at the end of the house. We tore out the bottom and the top, completely rebuilt it, brand new framing, new posts, new railing, new decking, And then we added this beautiful set of stairs going up to the second floor deck here. They never had a stairway, an exterior stairway, so they're really happy with that. So as you can see there, we have railing on both sides. We have the ADA rail there to meet code. And then underneath here we used pressure treated 6x6s for support posts for the top beam, and wrapped them with the Key-Link aluminum 6-inch post wraps. And we also put in the zip up underdecking on this deck so that it's a dry deck for them. And then as you can see, there's a gutter system at the opposite end there that all the water runs into and takes it to the other end, and the water just runs out at the back end of their deck here. The top deck here wraps around the back side of the house. Just going to come around the back end here, and this back deck runs the whole length of their house. Just a really nice deck. Mr. and Mrs. Vaders are very, very happy with the outcome of the deck here, and they're loving it. They're starting to enjoy it, and it's just a nice clean deck. Simple, very clean, straight lines. Those lines will stay straight for them for many years to come. And the black aluminum railing complements very well with the color of the decking here. Powder coated aluminum railing with a lifetime warranty and a 25-year fade warranty as well. The decking has a lifetime warranty as well. So thanks for watching, and we'll be in touch soon. Thank you.